with the check and make sure your arms are here, wrists, fingers, right. So you check, you're going and 2, 30, and on the 3, actually, you're gonna do a rondé. 3, cha, cha, 1, and already start bringing hands down to be able to grab your skirt, because for the next section is gonna be a skirt styling. So try one more time. So you do rondé, chasse, and cha-cha, and you will style with your arms. And arms is like fingers, like you pointing to the audience, pointing to your partner, right? So just you feel free to do it, but make sure opposite hand with opposite arm. But how you do it, it's, you know, it's a lot of freedom you can have. 1, 2, 30, cha, cha, 1. And he already grabbing on 1. Yeah, so one more time. So you see, I like to do when the left leg going forward, this right arm here, when you have a rondé, I want to bring this arm here. Cha, cha, 1. And he already look for that skirt. So try one more time. And 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. Grab the skirt. Now you have a Cuban break, and you're going to use your skirt to the opposite there. So your skirt basically will go this way. And 2, and send this arm back. 2, make that skirt fly. And now 2 straight legs. 3 and 4. And now here you're gonna have double skirt for the hit. 1, 1, ne. And remember, whatever you hit, 1, ne, has to finish. So you have, if you talk about style, you have fingers, then you have a skirt, and then you have double skirt. 1 with the finishing ne. Okay, so let's do it again. And 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Ne. Always finish 1. Now you have a slow check with the skirt. 2, 30, and I have like feeling like Marilyn Monroe. Cha, cha, 1 into the cross. One more time from beginning. So you're going and 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 30, cha, Merlin, like stick your booty back, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll settle count 1, and that 1 become your taking off for the 2 and 30 and cha, cha, 1, 2. Okay guys, welcome to lesson number 1, Cha-Cha A to Z course for men and women. Today gonna be information and it's a beginner level. Okay, so where to start Cha-Cha with? So number 1, posture. So close your feet, straight your knees,